So the problem we had now was it was not starting. So you could turn the key and then it make a little clock. But nothing was happening. So you could do this 3 to 4 times and then it was starting. But the fact is something is not good. Obviously the starter is the problem here. So I took out the starter, and then there is this solenoid which makes contact. This is this part here, and when you turn the key, this part pushes down, and then as soon as it pushes down, this one here goes out and turns the crankshaft with the flywheel. And as soon as this one is down, the motor here starts turning, and so this is how the engine starts. Okay, and now the problem is you have here these contacts. So this one is one of them, and inside here you have the copper contacts here on both sides. They should make contact, but the problem here is, I think you can see it, they are not so nice anymore.
You can see that the copper washer is quite worn and no longer flat. It's only making contact along the edges of the 2 copper blades.
So the easiest thing is to replace the whole starter, but it's about 400 euros. The second easiest thing would be to change this contact here. There is like a replacement kit or something which costs 15 bucks, which is not a lot, but the problem is how to get these parts to Mexico. But in the meantime I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna bend this up a little bit so it has a little bit earlier contact. I hammered down this part here, so it was a little bit going up, which means it has a bigger distance to the contacts, and I put it down a little bit, so now it's horizontal again.
To improve the connection, Christian bent the copper part slightly. So when the plunger comes down, it should create a much better contact between the 2 surfaces. Maybe it was luck, maybe it was helping, I don't know. Try again. Sounds kind of good. Perfect for now.